Hi everyone, how are you? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Today I'm discussing about a very important matter. If you are facing an issue like for the exhibition purpose and client will not uh, allow you to excavate due to some reasons, and you have to install the MV station skid, the large scale project, and you have to install the cable tray, and you are facing the issue of the bending radius of the cables, like for the MV cable and LV cables. So for that reason, I am giving you one solution, so you can propose to your client this solution. Basically, this is the overground solution in which we have designed MV skid over the ground, giving the platform, and then we give the footing for the MV stations, and also we have given the platform for the maintenance purpose, and also we have given the stairs. So if anyone want to maintenance purpose go up, they have to go through the stairs option, and also there are the platform area for the both side, for the MV side and for the LV side. Uh, we have given the stairs, and also the railing option. So when you are working above the ground, like 5 to 6 feet above the ground, then there might be a safety issue as per the standards. So that's why we have given the railing for that purpose, and also we have given the cable tray installation and the sump pit for the oil of the transformer, and the cable entry over the ground as per the bending radius of from the manufacturer. This side is the MV side. We have given like the this will come from the other MV station, terminate that, and then go out to the then MV station or to the switching stations. And also this is the LV side, the LV panels there. There are the two LV panels in the MV skid. From three side, the LV cables are going. So if you have any like that issue you are facing, you can go this solution. This solution is very uh, like suitable for the above ground options. So if you like this video, mm, share with your family, with friends. If anyone in the solar field are facing this type of issue, you can refer this video. Uh, Allah Hafiz.